Well, good morning. We are on the Georgia Railway train to Batumi from Tbilisi. So we're bidding a farewell to Tbilisi today, and we today are in business class. So it's a very small little section here. We've got 2, 4, 6, 9 seats up here, and I think it'll be very comfortable. Here's the lovely Tanya, ready to enjoy her business class seat here on Georgia Railway. Georgia Railway goes daily to Batumi, I think 3 different times a day. Their train is 4 cars, and we're in car 4.
Car 5. Yeah.
Car 4.
Car 4. And
Yes.
we were confused. I was confused at first because it's regular class, first class, business class.
Yes.
Business class is ahead of first class.
Yes.
So we are truly in
Oh,
the
yeah.
luxurious section of the car.
It's really amazing. Yeah. And I think this whole trip cost us, I don't know, I think it's about $35 each to Batumi, something like that.
So we're headed to the beach.
And it's a 5.5 hour trip. And we're headed to the beach.
We're headed to the
Yep.
beach.
So, beach blanket bingo. Here we come.
So long, Tbilisi.
Oh, it's so sad.
I know, I'm really sad.
It's so sad. Okay. So this is the Georgia Railway train to Batumi. All 4 cars of it. We have lots of other passengers getting ready to go. And the central station in Tbilisi is really a huge complex. There are not an awful lot of trains that come out of here, but it's also a huge shopping center. So we're ready to rock and roll here in a little bit. And of course, here we are in busyness class. Yeah. Okay. See you later. Getting close to Batumi, and it'll only be about probably another 15 minutes or so. I can see the skyline back in the